everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to claim your tickets on TickPick using iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the TickPick app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on My Tickets or Tickets at the bottom of your screen. This will show all your upcoming events and tickets. Look for the ticket you want to claim. If someone sent it to you, you might also see a pending transfer or claim ticket notifications. Tap on the ticket or the claim ticket button. TickPick will show you the event details, seat information and instruction to finalize claiming it. Tap accept or claim to confirm. The ticket will now move from pending status into your TickPick account and you are officially on it. To view your claim tickets, go back to My Tickets. You will see the event listed and you can open it to show the QR code when you arrive at the page. And that's it. That's how you claim tickets on TickPick using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.